told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
IT or information technology refers to the study or use of electronic equipments, especially computers, for collecting, storing, and sending out information. The advent of new information and communication technologies have made electronic governments a tool to enhance relationship of government to citizens, citizens to government, and government to private and other sectors. Information technology has ensured that a policy decision taken by the government can be quickly executed and implemented at multiple locations across the length and breadth of the country. It also ensures transparency, accountability, credibility, while assuring quick and effective responsiveness of government to citizens' problems and suggestions. Government has taken much of the e-governance initiatives for effective public service delivery. Also, when combined with emerging technologies, it can help in achieving sustainable development goals. Also, by adopting initiatives like e-courts judiciary may reduce the backlog of cases. Also, IT had played a crucial role in fighting COVID-19 pandemic while providing necessary help and to issue necessary government guidelines. Except this, delivery of various doorstep services like Aadhaar, Shram or Labor Card, Ayushman Card as well as home banking would not be possible without information technology. Hence, we can conclude that the role of information technology in governance was a much required step and it had proven itself a boon over the past few years or nearly a decade.